Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Mint Mobile eSIM. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. But first, I recommend checking out this link down below and in the description. My partner Mint Mobile gave it to me, and it gives you a great discount off of their plans. Now, the first thing that I would recommend doing is let's hop into a website here. I'm just on mintmobile.com, and if I go down, if you're new to a plan and you hit say view details here, and you basically are choosing a service, 5 gigabytes per month for $15 per month. On here, you can choose either a physical SIM card or an eSIM. Essentially, this is when you're signing up for a new service. What they will do is they will email you an activation so that you can activate your eSIM and have it directly on your phone. Now, keep in mind, if you have another device and maybe you have a physical SIM card and you want to switch over to an eSIM, I would recommend going to mintmobile.com/eSIM. And essentially what this will do is it'll allow you to check compatibility. So I can select what brand I have. I have an Apple and I have an iPhone, 14 Pro. And I can hit check phone here. And essentially, it will tell me that this is a compatible device with an eSIM. Now that you've gone through that step and you know that you can get an eSIM, another option to be able to do it is just to hop into your app store here and download and install the Mint Mobile app. After you've done that, let's open up the app. You're going to sign into your current account. Again, this is for people that already have an existing account. And we're going to sign in, and you can see at the very bottom dashboard, my plan, and I'm going to tap on account. Now, all I have to do is scroll down here and hit order replacement SIM or activate replacement SIM if you already have that. But let's hit order replacement SIM. I want a new one and a replacement to my current eSIM. And just like that, basically it's free. You can get 2 eSIMs every 12 months for free. After that, it's only $3 each. But basically, if you've misplaced yours or you just need to switch from a physical one over to an electronic one, all you have to do is go through this process and it will walk you through the steps and get everything set up directly on your phone. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.